folks, welcome back to the loneliest road in Nevada. The RB is running spectacular, 70 miles an hour, no vibrations, no codes, no misfiring, just smooth as a whistle. Woo! What perfect timing that was for that little repair. Fantastic. Relying on paper maps to get through this area of the Lincoln Highway, and just stop if there's ever anything to see. It's just kind of, bear with me, guys. I do apologize for the wind, everybody. It is incredibly windy here in Nevada today, but here's a sight you don't see every day. Sand Mountain, right off the Lincoln Highway. There's a little plaque here, and lots of glass that I'm stepping in. There's a little plaque here, it says 1864 to 1964 Sand Mountain. It says a giant rattlesnake traveling to the northeast with the wind to its back. The snake can be heard as it moves towards its hole, a phenomenon geologists associate with the singing sand dunes. Okay. Basically, the mountain recreation area is used for off-highway vehicles and campers out there. Holy cow, it's windy. But anyway, we're not going to go up there. I can't think of anything I want to do when it's this cold and windy, so we'll get back on the road. Woo! Believe me, this microphone does really, really well in the wind. Because it's really, really windy, and there's just nothing out here except Sand Hill and this little thing. I'll read this to you. Basically saying that this part of Nevada here in Fairview from 1905 to 1917 was known for rich silver mining. It was a crazy boom town with 27 saloons, hotels, banks, essay office, a newspaper, a post office, and a miners' union hall. And then in 1908, the boom passed, and now it's just the open desert. So, gonna be looking for a spot to camp anywhere. There's nothing out here. Sign says Historic Middlegate Station. Well, we got the okay to stay here at the Middlegate Station, park here overnight, dry camping in their parking lot, but it's just raining and windy and cold and miserable, and I don't want to go outside or do anything. So I'll cut back in the morning and maybe show you a little more of this place before we get back on the road. I know. And we'll stay warm. Right, well, the rain stopped. It's still a little windy. It's like a legit, authentic outhouse, working and everything. Okay. They also have horseshoe pits here. I like to throw some horseshoes from time to time. There's the historic Lincoln Highway sign there outside. There's the I Survived, the loneliest road sign. We're at 4,600 feet here, middle of nowhere, population down to 17. I went inside earlier and there was a lot of people in there, and as soon as I was kind enough to ask if I could film, the whole place went quiet. I'm like, okay, I don't really, like, you know, like when you walk into one of those old Western barns and you can tell like everybody there like lives there, and they all, and like you walk in, you're like, okay. Anyway, let's make a phone call since I still don't have any AT&T service. Oh, looks like they got rid of the phone here. A lot of authentic old stuff. Look at this old carriage. Yep, that's a really old carriage. Anyway, I feel like I'm just having kind of an off day today. So, it's supposed to be down to 21 degrees tonight, possible snow. So we'll have to keep the heat on tonight. And then in the morning, it's supposed to be sunny and nice. Yeah, so all that rain we had all day, all of a sudden everything started getting really bright here at 6 p.m. Look at this. All that rain and wind all day. And the sun just decided to finally, for the first time, peek through the clouds. Look at that. 2 minutes before the sun goes down and it's dark, we get to see it for the first time today. I gotta say, it's actually a little bit pretty. I'm excited about tomorrow. We are gonna get back on the road and head east, but yeah, at least we made it through the bad weather. And just like that, good morning everybody. It is a welcome change to see the sunshine today. Go check it out. We'll pack up everything here at the Middle Gate station and get on the road soon. Hey, get in your cat seat, you. Get over there. Get in your cat seat where you're safe, Jax. Guys, we're back on the road, and it's sunny and nice, and I'm smiling and I'm happy, and today's gonna be a good day. So yeah. And I left that darn pizza pan in the oven. That's gonna vibrate like heck. That is not a seat. Okay. Off we go, we go, we go, we go. Whoa. Look at all these shoes hanging from the tree. Okay, I got my blinker on. And I'm gonna turn in here. Whoa, there's a lot of shoes. Holy cow. I found an interesting Nevada tree. It's the shoe tree, guys. And there was like a 3 or 4 foot shoe tree at Slab City in California, but this thing is flat out monstrous. There's got to be 1,000 pairs of shoes on this tree. There's shoes hanging from other shoes. There's a ski boot there. Just wow. I'm trying to think if I kept my old shoes because I just got new shoes. See, these are my new flashy shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the RV and see if I can dig them out. All right, well, I got my old shoes here. Same brand, just a different color than I'm wearing now. I'm gonna lace them together and then I'm gonna sign the bottom soles Nomadic Fanatic and then find a spot for them up on the tree. The loneliest road on the Lincoln Highway. Jax, are you lonely? He's so lonely on the Lincoln Highway. You know, Eric's losing it when he's singing to his cat. There's just nothing out here. It's beautiful. Okay, you go ahead and bathe and sleep the day away, okay? Okay. Well, this is interesting. My phone just started going crazy. Ba-ding, 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 ba-ding. For the first time in a week, I have service in Nevada for AT&T. We're approaching the town of Austin, Nevada. And apparently it's big enough to finally have an AT&T tower somewhere. It's funny. Stokes Castle? Okay. Okay, I'll bite. What, right here? I guess so. Well, this is a really scary drive with a really bad cliff. I'm a little nervous around the corners thinking somebody might come whipping around this one lane. I guarantee you, I got nowhere to go. I'm almost as wide as this road right now. So if somebody wants to come down, I'm not sure what to do right now. Kind of eager to get to Stokes Castle, to tell you the truth. You know, it would be nice if they put a sign like how far away it is. 60 miles? 6? I got nowhere to turn around. Oh, hello, castle. Weird. Let's check it out. Oh boy, are we up here. That wind chill is a little much for shorts and t-shirt weather, but I'm still gonna rock it here. Check out Stokes Castle, everybody. There's a little Nevada plaque here talking about Anson Phelps Stokes, the mine developer who built this castle in 1897, and the family used it for 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. 3 floors with a fireplace, plate glass windows, balconies, and a terrace on the roof with plumbing. Wow. It's really neat that they preserved it like this, you know. And some people might not like all the barbed wire fencing so you can't get close, but think about it. If it wasn't here, people would just knock it down, spray paint it, piss in it, and just destroy it. Sad part of life, but at least it's still here standing and we get to see it. You know, a lot of these places sometime later in the future may not be around for future generations to physically see them. You can only see pictures, and you might have a monument that says this is where Stokes Castle once stood, but it's pretty neat seeing it. Next to the castle, they have a garbage can and a fire ring and a picnic table. I was wondering what that wood structure there is. It is rather old. I'm not sure. Oh boy, it's windy. Sorry about that. A little nuked up pizza pie for lunch. Yeah. Still a beautiful view, right? Not bad. Alright guys, have a good day. Jackson and I will see you on the road in a couple days. More from the Lincoln Highway. Bye guys.